Hi Ed, my name is Bill Herbert with Tameron Hyundai. We really appreciate your interest in our pre-owned department. We have a wide selection of vehicles to choose from. You chose the Ford Taurus, which is going through our award-winning service department and detail. If you would give me a call and let me know when you can be available, I will have the vehicle ready for you before you arrive. My phone number is 205-380-6250. As I said, we have a wide selection of vehicles to choose from, over 350 vehicles as a matter of fact. Different varieties, different colors, different styles. Come down and see me at 1591 Montgomery Highway. We're located right across from the big Wells Fargo Bank in Hoover. So again, my name is Bill Herbert. The phone number is 205-380-6250. Here at Tameron, I know you're going to love the way you're treated, and I will see you soon.